अरे यार मैंने बोला रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ शिट्स.
No worries. I just forgot it, but I have started recording it. Yeah. So 30-40 for Google Ads, yes, we can do it again. In geo targeting option is there, wherein you can take the radius you want to target. So 30 or I think 60 miles is the minimum radius which Google gives. Yeah. I think 60 kilometers it is, not miles. So you, again, Google Ads can also be done locally, and which also makes sense because you don't want to waste your money. Yeah. Second is Facebook ads. Yes, locally, again, the same concept, that the locality nearby, and it will help you. Instagram promotions. Okay, so Instagram, if you want to run an ad on Instagram, Instagram does not have its own dashboard. You have, whenever you are running an ad on Facebook, there is an option that do you want to show this ad on Instagram,
Yes.
right? Instagram का खुद का ad channel नहीं है कुछ.
Okay. हाँ हाँ.
So you, if you are running an ad on Facebook, there is always an option कि ये ad मैं Instagram के मेरे page पे बता दूँ. Yeah.
हाँ.
So all targetings which you have selected in Facebook will similarly apply to Instagram.
Okay.
As of now, there is no separate channel for Instagram to say that okay, I only want to show it on Instagram. Yeah.
बट लेकिन अगर हम लोग सपोज इंस्टाग्राम प्रमोट करते हैं, सपोज इंस्टाग्राम पे भी होते हैं जैसे प्रमोशन के लिए होते हैं, प्रमोट दिस पोस्ट करके आता है, तो वो कैसे करते हैं?
You have to do it only through Facebook dashboard. Instagram doesn't have an own dashboard.
Okay.
Yeah. YouTube ads non-skip. Why non-skip? Why cannot I have a skippable?
क्योंकि अगर सपोज स्किप रहेगा तो मतलब जैसे कि सपोज मैं कुछ देख रहा हूँ, तो अगर मैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट देख रहा हूँ, सपोज मैं कुछ पढ़ रहा हूँ, उसमें बीच में ऐड आया तो वो स्किपेबल रहेगा तो मैं स्किप कर दूंगा.
Okay.
तो मतलब तो मेरा मतलब नहीं रहना ऐड का.
Yes. So here, okay.
हाँ, तो मेरा ऐड का मतलब नहीं रहा. अगर मैं ऐड बना रहा हूँ तो पैसे डाल रहा हूँ.
Okay, Abhishek. So let me tell you this. Skippable ads are charged only if a viewer will see an ad after 5 seconds. If they skip it within the 5 seconds, the advertisers will not be charged.
हाँ.
So
एज अ कंपनी मुझे चाहिए कि मुझे देखना चाहिए ना.
as a company, and if you want to save money, put your message first in first 5 seconds and then your ad. Okay, in a way you are your branding is done and you are not even charged. Okay, so this is one of the best practice to do, but of course to target the entire audience you should run both kind of ads, skippable and non-skippable. It should never be either or, it should be always both. Yeah, whatever channels are available, whatever types of ads are available, you should run it all the channels. You don't want to miss any single customers on any single channel. Right? It should not be okay मैं Facebook करूँ या Instagram करूँ. We'll do both because there are different audience on both different channels. Right? Similarly, you do skippable also as well as do non-skippable. But in skippable, there is a best practice that you keep your brand name mentions in the first 5 seconds. Right? So even if people will skip, you have sent your message. Okay. Cable ads is something, I think it's more of an offline thing, which as a digital marketer, we cannot do it. Right? Or we cannot even suggest it to our clients. अगर तुम media planning या कर रहे हो, where a client has come and he has asked for, hey, suggest me all the channels which you can use to promote my product. This is something an offline thing. Even a newspaper ads can come, but again, that is an offline thing, which as a digital person, I cannot suggest.
But Somil, one more thing I just want to ask that if you see a newspaper or TV ad, now let's say I am a jeweler and I have one location only, then maybe I can also think that local newspaper, okay, is a good medium for me for my promotion.
Yeah,
in every door. And see, and everyone don't have the Facebook. Like let's say my parent, grandparent, they don't have the Facebook, but they want to also want to buy a jewelry. Maybe for them the newspaper can be a good option.
Yes, it is a good option, but we as a digital marketer cannot step into an offline advertising, right?
Okay.
You will suggest them, okay, if you will suggest them, okay, let's do cable ads, let's do an ad on front page of Times of India, you will suggest them. Do you know even the costing, or do you know even the guys in offline channel where who you will go and contact them, right? And this
Right,
is
right, right.
something
Somit, Somit,
which is for BTL people. Yeah.
सुनो मेरे पास एक ये है, सपोज अगर हम लोग फ्रंट पेज पे अगर ऐड देते हैं ज्वेलरी का, तो इट में कॉस्ट अपने को मतलब ह्यूज ना, बराबर ना,
Yes.
अराउंड 10 lakhs पकड़ो
10 lakhs. Yes.
फर्स्ट पेज।
TOI. Yes.
हाँ, फर्स्ट पेज पे अगर हम लोग करते हैं टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के, तो वो अपने को 10 lakhs लगेगा।
नहीं, कम हो गया, 10 लाख 20-30 लाख होगा, बट आई थिंक लोकल न्यूज़पेपर का बहुत कम होगा।
नहीं मतलब
इट्स एन एग्जांपल। हाँ, यस,
एग्जांपल
Okay.
10 lakhs पकड़ते हैं हम लोग,
हाँ।
कम से कम 10 lakhs पकड़ते हैं।
हम्म।
अगर सपोज मैं वही एक उतने बड़े पेज का A4 साइज का अगर मैं एक एड प्रिंट करता हूँ मेरे इसमें, सपोज एक एड में डिजाइन के पास से मैं बना कर लेता हूँ, और वही एड में अगर सपोज पेपर में इंसर्ट करता तो मुझे डायरेक्ट वेंडर से बात करना, मुझे पेपर से बात करना नहीं है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया से।
यस, यू हैव टू टॉक इट थ्रू अ
हाँ,
वेंडर।
और
एंड
वो भी बहुत चीप है, अराउंड हम लोग बीच में किया था, अराउंड 1000 न्यूज़पेपर में आपको 300 चार्ज करते हैं हम लोग,
यस,
तो विच इज बहुत चीप हो गया, मतलब अपने कंपेयर टू 10 lakhs।
यस, यस,
But I think as a jewelry market, I think this will be a very cheaper marketing. I don't you think so?
Arey,
Just
but
as
my point is, we should not discuss this here, because this all are
Okay.
offline marketing.
Right.
We are here to discuss digital marketing, right?
Digital marketing.
Right,
Yes,
right.
right,
All
right.
the
right.
strategies
Okay.
can be applied if you are below the line advertising agency or something, where they use this kind of tricks for newspaper ads, or say a bill print कर दिया, brochure print कर दिया,
I told
right?
you ना कि मैं मार्केटिंग से हूँ, तो मुझे थोड़ा
Yes,
It's more
but
of a business strategy that the
yes,
business on its own has to decide
yes,
and find out of what is feasible for them, pitch it to
yes,
the respective agencies, offline, online, whatever they choose. Our task is as online people to do only online.
yes, and we can always show them if if the owner is always confused between an offline versus online, you can always show the benefits of doing an online marketing versus an offline. There are plenty of benefits. The biggest benefit is online is the cheapest. Okay, there's nothing cheaper than online marketing as of now. TV ads, newspaper ads, they are all expensive. Second thing is, everything is measurable in online marketing. You know which campaign was promoted and what was the number of users saw your ads, what was the people who saw your ads, they came and bought your product. Everything is trackable in online marketing, whereas it's very difficult in offline marketing.
yes.
Yeah, in newspaper ads or even the pamphlet you give out, you don't know how many people have seen it, or uska rocket bana ke uda diya. Right?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
And what
Right.
also happens is for cable ads, you don't know the number of people who are going to go around in that location just to watch that particular hoarding.
Yes, so
Whereas
online,
on
yes,
social media, it's much easier, and you know, when you're pitching to that business, it's much easier for you to represent yourself and tell
yes,
them that this is measurable, this is not measurable,
yes,
this is feasible, this is not feasible. So when you're
yes,
pitching, knowing about offline media is fine, but knowing more about your platform is more important.
yes, yes. And there are plenty others, like this is the cheapest medium, and the conversion rate is also the cheapest. You are getting, if you go through an SEO, it is almost 0 rupees you are investing in, right? If uh, a, a brand itself has as a person knows how to do an SEO, then there is zero marketing cost which he is putting in. Yeah. So there is no other channel as cheaper as digital. Like free को तुम क्या bid करोगे? हाँ. Okay. Next is emailer, choosing perfect audience. But from where you will get this audience?
There are many agencies who are providing data.
Okay. Data चोरी करोगे?
क्या करें, अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना।
people who have bought credit cards, huh? or Geo
Xerox
SIM.
machines.
Huh? Okay, so email marketing will work for you once you have your own data.
Hmm.
So when a user is coming to your website, make sure you force them to give in their details. Say, hey, subscribe to our emailers, or you know what, sign up and you will get 10% off. But
Hmm.
by doing so, you get their data,
Yes, yes,
and
right.
and you have those email databases who have come up on your website and have signed up. And
Hmm.
for the next time, you can send a promotional email to those customers. So customers who have visited your website and have
Hmm.
filled in and given their data, you should do email marketing to only those audience,
Hmm.
right? Or else database खरीद के email करना, it will just go in spam or promotion folder in Gmail. No one will even open it,
Okay.
right? You are just again wasting money. So email marketing is correct, but to the current database you have, your own database which you have created while people have visited your website,
Hmm.
right? Say some new product launch or Diwali discount, anything, any promotional activities, you can definitely drop in a mail to them that, hey, you, thank you for buying from us, but you know, here is another offer which we are running. You might be, and trust me, if a customer has bought from you once, there are more chances of returning back again, especially in jewelry. People
Hmm.
don't often to change their jewelers.
Hmm.
You know, they like certain तो tradition ही है कि हमारा खानदानी ज्वेलर है, वहां से ही
हाँ,
खरीदते हैं, right?
हाँ.
So in this business, it's really like returning visitors numbers is really high, right?
Hmm.
So emailers will work, but for your current customers.
Hmm.
Yeah. Push notification for apps, again, this will only work for people who have downloaded your app. Yeah.
That's right.
Yes. So again, they are again your current customers, and you can
कि
push
हम लोग ने
notifications for
हम लोग ने बीच में एक रन किया था ऐसा ऐड
हाँ.
फेसबुक पे क्राफ्ट्सविला के लिए। तो जैसे कि हम लोगों ने वॉलेट में था वॉलेट,
हम्म.
जहाँ पे सपोज अगर आप अगर ऐप डाउनलोड करते हो तो
हम्म.
यू विल गेट 2000 का कूपन उसमें
Okay.
आपके
Yes.
वॉलेट में। तो वो
Right.
मतलब उसके लिए आपको ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा और आपको
Yes.
यूज
So
करना पड़ेगा।
2000 credits they will get, which they can use
हाँ,
on Craft Villa's website, right?
हाँ, राइट।
Okay. Okay. This is a good strategy to get new customers.
हम्म,
Right. Right. But app for a single jeweler will not make sense. Like वो app पे क्या डालेगा रोज, क्या notification आएगा, and why will I as a customer would like to download an app of some jeweler,
हम्म,
right? मेरे को क्या है, app is either you are apps are like either they are helping you save your time, or either they are helping you pass your time. So most of the app comes in these two categories. Some apps will really help you to save your time,
हम्म,
while some apps will help you to pass your time,
हम्म,
right?
राइट।
So jewelry is something like a jeweler will not have an app. uh, I'm not sure, but that there are single users case studies where a single location has an app and how they have promoted it. It will be a great case studies. If I will get it, I'll share it with you guys. Right. Next is Pinterest. Yes, definitely Pinterest is again a good channel where images are have to be visually appealing, and you can get your customers from there. Yes, so this is a good thing, Abhishek. Good answers. Only cable ads, I think, is not something suitable here since they come under offline category. Rest all things are good. But both of you have missed one thing, which is really, really important and is a really great source of marketing. Can any one of you tell me what it is?
मार्केटिंग
Can anyone? Janvi, Shweta, Sachi. There's one more channel which we have missed completely here, and I think it's the most important thing for an physical store to have that channel.
LinkedIn.
No, jewelers. LinkedIn will not sell jewelry, man.
Obviously.
Wait, think over it.
4 options.
I am not playing KBC here. Wait, let me open my file till then. Okay, you guys think of it, man. Come on. Okay, so let's not waste time. The most important channel is Google My Business, which is specifically for the local businesses.
Okay.
Okay, so Google My Business is a place where people will, if people are searching for you, or say in generic, uh, okay, let me share my dashboard with you. This is specifically for a customer who are really location based, and people are searching for you. Yeah.
But how will they
Wait,
search my business?
wait. I'll just show you. I'll just show you. Okay. Let me know if my screen is visible.
Not. No.
Okay.
Ah.
So this is my Google My Business dashboard. I have 26,000 locations listed over here. So I'll take any one. Let's say, okay. So this is a screenshot of a local McDonald's store, right? This is one of the store, not all the stores. This is only one physical location of McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And see the amount of views, amount of searches they are getting it on Google My Business for a single store. This is not even, and this is data is only for last 30 days. That too in COVID, the impressions and searches have gone down due to this virus thing. But see the views, they are getting like around 50,000 views and 31,000 searches, right? So Google My Business has a huge amount of uh, potential, which you should, as a physical location, you should be there, right? Let's just see the insight, what people are searching. Okay, so how people are searching you on Google. So Google My Business can be accessed to you via your Google dashboard, wherein if I'll say, I'll just go and search for McDonald's near me. Yes, so this listing which is coming up is Google My Business, right? This is coming from Google My Business, and it can also be searched from your Google Maps, right? But my point is the amount of people searching for physical location is huge, and you should all get your business listed here, right here in Google My Business, especially if you are a physical location, right?
Somil,
Yeah.
हम लोग मतलब मैकडी नहीं कोई ज्वेलर का एक एग्जांपल लेके हम लोग कर सकते हैं क्या देख सकते हैं
Jewelers I don't have right now in my dashboard. Let me check.
क्योंकि सपोज मैकडी इज फेमस मतलब बहुत फेमस है
Okay.
तो ज्वेलर जो लोकल ज्वेलर है जिसका एक ही स्टोर है तो वो मतलब उसको कैसे यूजफुल होगा ये गूगल माय बिजनेस वो पूछना
Right now I don't have any jewelers in. I can give you a location of, say,
क्योंकि मैकडी फेमस है ना इसके लिए अगर सपोज कोई ज्वेलर है जो जिसका एक ही स्टोर है
let me give you a less famous. Okay, this is a very basic. This is some mineral water guy in only providing services in Vasai, who is giving that mineral water thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so see here the amount of searches, और उसने तो ये account promote भी नहीं किया है. It's just that he has created a listing over here. उसने और कुछ नहीं किया है. Okay, they haven't promoted it the way McDonald's have promoted with images and photos and everything, right? He has just created a listing and see the amount of views he's getting in last 28 days. Yeah, it's 60 searches, 48. So 48 people have came through his location by searching it for this location via maps or something else. Yeah, let's check insights. Okay, so maximum people have discovered this business. They didn't knew about this business. Yeah, 95% of people have just searched for a generic query like mineral water or how to get a mineral water near me, and they have landed on this guy's page. Yeah, direct is the one who knew this brand and he was searching for his address. Yeah, branded of course is the company, they search through a company's name. So maximum potential which they are getting is through organic search.
Okay.
Yeah. So
मतलब
guys are
पूरा
ranking.
बिजनेस जो है
हाँ.
वो फ्री में बनता है पूरा कि
Yes,
उसके कुछ
yes,
चार्जेस
this
है?
is free. This is free.
Okay.
See what are the queries he's receiving? H2O. People are searching really for an H2O. Like I don't know. Why are they not searching for a water or? But
वैसे ही है ना
हाँ.
कि वेनिस है कहाँ पे?
I don't know. H2O might be some brand which they are searching for, but they are still landing it here. It might be a possibility that H2O is some mineral water brand. People are searching for it, but this guy, since he has a local listing, people are landing on his local businesses, right? So wait, let's just see how H2O. Sorry.
So Somil, how do you have this dashboard? I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Is it because you have a sign up for it?
Just see. Okay, I'm searching for H2O Vasai, and this guy is here, right? This he doesn't even have a website, but this guy he has a good star rating, man, 4.9 out of 14 reviews. But I don't think this guy has a website, but website is mentioned over here. Okay, H2O mineral. Okay, this is the website which Google has Google My Business has generated for them. So this is not a original website. This is what GMB does it to you for free. Yeah.
Okay.
ये एक basic website layout बना देता है when you sign up with GMB.
Okay, nice.
Okay. So Shweta, what was your question? Sorry, come again. Hello.
म्यूट पे है वो शायद से.
Hello, Shweta. Was it Shweta or Janvi who asked the question?
Yeah, Janvi asked the question. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Tell me, क्या था question?
I was very curious to understand this dashboard that you have.
हाँ.
How to go there? Is it a part of your last session that I missed?
No. I have just started sharing it right now. This dashboard is already with me because I have a lot of business listed for my clients.
Okay.
Right. But this is since McDonald's or something, they have a huge amount of data. And Abhishek is right that they might get a brand searches. And I took a very, very layman's business. से एक बंदा है जो in a grocery store he's selling a mineral water जो वो घर पे दे जाता है, right? That 20-liter thing.
Yeah,
And he has
I
listed
saw
his.
all of that. My query was, I mean, how do you have the dash? How do we see the dashboard? Do we need a
Okay.
specific sign up?
Okay. Yes. Okay. So correct. You have to go to Google. Okay, let me show you. There is something called as Google My Business. If you will Google it, you will get this. You have to go there and sign up. Yes. Okay. So you need for you there will be a manage now, and you have to sign up. Since I already have an account, I can just sign in. Yeah.
Okay, so it's very simple. All you have to do is just sign up, and the whole thing just comes up in front of you.
Yes, the whole thing, a dashboard will come up. Okay. You want me to sign, like create a new location right now?
I think if you can show us once, of how it's used.
How it's used is, so I have already signed up a lot of businesses over here who I
Okay.
think can help.
So you sign them up, you get them into, putting in details, you get
Yes.
them into linking all accounts,
Yes.
say Facebook or a website or whatever, and then
Hmm.
that thing is created, right? So I
Yes.
have a similar one, but I've never been able to see a dashboard like this.
Okay. You might, did you sign up for this, and did you receive a postcard or a PIN verification from Google?
No.
No. So you haven't signed up for Google My Business. Once you do this, you will receive a say either a postcard within 7 days from Google, or you will either get a phone call from a Google, and they will give you one pin where, okay, this meeting will also end in 10 minutes. Let's just wrap it up now. So you will get one pin where uh, you have to enter that pin in this dashboard, and hence you will become a verified user.
Okay.
Right, you are
Okay.
just claiming your business, saying, hey, this is my business, and give the rights which the property which you are showing on your Google Maps. I have an owner access to those property,
Oh
right?
yes,
And
yes. That is what I received.
yes.
I received a pin from them saying that to verify, and they
Mm,
asked for a document to email. So I did
okay.
that.
Okay, so just try going to Google My Business. You might have a business signed up already. Just go there and check it out.
Okay, I'll surely do that. Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, and this will really help you in uh, what do you say, your local businesses. So now this,
Somil,
here is one more uh, guy. This guy gives cameras for movie shoots. Yeah. So the amount of views he has is 1,300 and 427 searches. And he received one visit, phone call, how many people view his photos. So everything is here. But I feel if you have a physical store, you should have a Google My Business. This is the number one channel, and the most like the easiest and the free channel where you get a lot of customers. If you do a right boost, you will start ranking on Google as well, right? Your Google My Business is something you will be on top. Ye-
Somil,
Hmm.
मेरा क्वेरी है, सपोज अगर मेरा एजेंसी है, बराबर,
Hmm.
और अगर मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स है और उनको मुझे गूगल माई बिजनेस पे लाना है, तो मतलब सबको अलग अलग बना के देना पड़ेगा, कि मैं अगर सपोज एक खुद का बनाता हूँ, साइन अप करता हूँ और उसमें सबको ऐड करता चलेगा?
So you are saying you want to sign up Google My Business for other clients, right?
यस, फॉर माय
Yes,
क्लाइंट्स।
you can do it. जैसे मैंने किया है यहाँ पे. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ये तो मेरे friends ही है जिनके लिए मैंने किया है. But if you will see here, I have 26,000 clients which I have signed up for in Google My Business.
तो वो कैसे
Yeah.
करना है? मतलब सपोज अगर मैं साइन अप तो मैंने खुद के लिए कर लिया, साइन अप जो मेरा पेज रहेगा, बराबर, तो उसके बाद मुझे ऐड
So you can
करना
add a
होगा।
location here. You just have to add a location. You have this dashboard. You have to add a location.
दैट मींस
Whatever.
मतलब क्लाइंट मींस लोकेशन हो गया वहाँ पे।
Yes. Client is your
ओके,
location. So you have to add the details. But then those clients will get those PIN details, and those clients should share those details with you. Then only you
ओके,
can verify it, right?
ओके।
Right.
इट
See
इज
here.
ओटीपी काइंड ऑफ।
See here. You can see a duplicate mark. Here it's a duplicate mark. So what has happened is, even the client has also claimed it, and I have also claimed it.
ओके,
Okay. So it's duplicate. So either one of us has to delete this.
ओके,
Okay, then only the other person will get the owner rights.
Okay.
right? So once you have an owner rights, you can do like plenty of things. This is though of a building. Uh, this local listing is of a building of some society, uh, but still they are getting so much views and searches, right? And this is all for free. Okay, this is for some real estate agent. Uh, he's also getting it, but of course they are not promoting themselves really well on this thing. You have a lot of, you can create a post, you can add photos, you can even create ads, uh,
Yeah.
right? And they will give you 2000 credits on your first ads. So you should of course optimize this opportunity, and if you have a physical location, be there on Google, right? So I feel GMB is something you should look into it. Yes. Similar
Sure.
to GMB, there are many other local listing channels. There is Bing Places. Yeah, so Bing also offers something similar to Google My Place, but since Bing has a very limited user base, but you can try out, right? You can also sign up for Bing My Places. This is almost similar to what Google is giving. It's the functionality, the motive is almost same. The only thing is your results on Bing Places will be shown when somebody is searching on Bing.com, right? But Bing ka market share is really low, say around 2%, whereas Google market share is 98%, right? But these two things will really help you in your local promotions, right? Somebody will search for say address to your business, or somebody is just searching for a generic query also with a location, physical location mentioned in it, there is a high chance that you will rank, right? So this is something you should not miss out. uh, as an exercise, do you guys have any client which you can sign up on Google My Business?
Sorry?
Do you have right now any clients which you can sign up on Google My Business?
No, I can suggest my friend who
Sorry?
is running agency. जो मेरी friend है
हाँ.
agency चलती है agency, तो मैं उसको
हाँ.
पूछ सकता हूँ.
Okay, so try doing this and come up with your queries or something, right? Or come up with an ideas which you have implemented and see if you get a good response on this. Okay, so this is something you should not miss it. Janvi, for you, you should definitely go and check. You might be, your business I think is already there on Google My Business. You just
Yeah, we are already there.
just
But I've
claim
never
it.
seen a dashboard for
Yeah,
myself.
just go on dashboard and see. You can do a lot of things from dashboard. You can add a post, you can add some announcement,
Right.
you should add your website, your phone number, your email ID, and definitely you will start showing up when somebody is searching for jewelry in their locality, especially if somebody is searching from a location who is near to your physical address. They will definitely see your business on top.
So if whoever's searching it, can we know from which area they're from or any kind of information?
No, that is not possible.
So this is just factual information that as a business somebody can get.
Yes, so I'll show you what all things you can see it. You will see the query. Yes, yes, and where they have come up from. So local listing on map. So this people are coming from Google search, and this people are coming from Google Maps. Okay, what action did they take once they landed on your listing? What action did they take? For here, this guy doesn't have a website, or say they don't even have फोन नंबर भी मेंशन नहीं किया होगा, सो इसलिए nobody has taken an action. They just landed on this page and they went back, right? But you will get all this, like how many people have called you, how many people have asked for physical address, or how many people visited your website using a Google GMB.
Okay.
Okay, this
Fair.
is your, if you have any photos or videos, definitely you should post it over there, and this is an insights of how many people have viewed your photos and videos of your product, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And here are, there is an option that even customers can add photos on your GMB listings. So this is just an idea of how you are doing against your customer photos. So majority of photos is the owner photos here, while customers have added very few photos, which is of course
Okay.
like mineral water mein kya hi customer dalenge photos. But for you as a jewelry, there might be a lot of opportunities where customers are posting those photos. You should definitely reply to those photos saying, thanks for buying from us or something like that, right?
Right. Right.
Okay, so I have less than a minute. uh, uh, I think that's
Okay.
it
Fair.
for today. I'll send the next assignment on group.